All right, this video is about how to use vegetable broth, or you can use chicken or beef broth or miso, whatever you like, but using broth to bring leftovers or even a new meal that you want to bring things together. The broth allows you to create new life in the dish. So I got my ground turkey here, ready to go. I'm going to add some of my zucchini and squash and some of my caramelized onions. Throw them on the pan. You know, they've all been sauteed with salt, pepper, and olive oil, like everything. And then I'll toss them a little bit. Now, I could eat them like that, it would be great. But I want to add a little bit of juice. I like my dishes kind of juicy. So we've got our trusty vegetable broth here from Trader Joe's. And I'm gonna just put it nice and round. See, we're getting a little bit of a juice there, a little sauce. Just kind of wettens everything up, gives you a little bit of a sauce. See that? It just makes it a little bit more special. So, happy cooking.